double drop shot method. 100% fish proof. Do an overhand knot. This will ensure
Alright guys, here we go again. Welcome back to Immersive Fishing. Hey, any day is a good day to go fishing. Get your fishing poles, get your loved ones, get the kids out of the house, off the tablets. Trust me, they'll thank you later.
Here we are in some gas right now, getting ready to go to one of our local lakes. And we picked the spot because we think it's going to be one of the only spots we'll be able to catch a fish. It's super windy and really cold, so we got to go to one of the secret locations. The method of fishing today is going to be the double drop shot method. It's going to be just about the only way we're going to fish. So what's your favorite way of fishing?
We live bait, like worms and minnows, like that stuff.
You're more like of a live bait type of fisher? See, hey, that's always very, very effective, especially out in the ocean with the little sardines. What about you, Aiden? What's your favorite type of fishing? You like fishing the Senko? There we go. Those are two really good methods of fishing. You can never go wrong with a Senko, and you can never go wrong with a live bait, right? Today we're gonna fish the double drop shot. It's just another way of fishing, another method of fishing. It's very good. I like it a lot. It catches all kinds of fish. And it's 100% fish proof method, the double drop shot. So let's go. Give me some knuckles. Give me some knuckles. Current situation, since there is really only one road to go where we're trying to fish at today, then my truck flipped on that road, so the street was closed. So now we're having to go around. Thanks to Google Maps, I think we figured out the way to go, but it's Google Maps, so you never know. Situation update, we're back on the road. Luckily Google Maps was able to take us around. We were able to just kind of MacGyver some routes and finally get back on here. So we're closer to the spot, hopefully get to fishing. We're gonna go ahead and tie the trusted double drop shot. Light line, 6-pound test. That means that it's a 6-pound line. Get a mosquito hook. We have our little mosquito hook. We're gonna go ahead and thread it pointy end towards you and come back around. You're gonna be left with it looking like this. Do an overhand knot. You're gonna put the hook through the loop. Moisten it up a little bit. Tighten everything together. After you've done all that, you get your tag end and you run it back down the eye of the hook. This will ensure that your hook sits real nice. All right, double drop shot. And lastly, you want to add one of these egg sinkers at the bottom. Okay, today is a really windy day, so I'm choosing to go a little heavier because I need, when I launch my bait out there, for the wind to not just completely take it somewhere else, But the secret sauce of this is small lures. Got 'em Baits, shout out, follow my boy on Instagram, Got 'em Baits. Ask him to give you a kit, small swim baits. You'll realize the more you catch fish, the bottom one gets bit a lot more often. Why is that? Maybe because it's closer to the ground, who knows? That's what it kind of looks like. All right, let's go do some fishing. All right, here's the baits of choice. I have green, orange, and
Right.
black and gray. And then we have black and green. They all have little flakes on them, so it makes it really good for the fish to see. Josiah, which one do you want to fish with? What combo?
I'm gonna fish with this combo.
What about you, Aiden?
Probably this.
Those? Okay, then I'll get these ones. We'll see which ones works better. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up here, caught 2 fish, a trout and a largemouth bass. Super windy, super cold, you know, but the method works. Double drop shot method works. When all else fails, drop shot is the way to go. Anyways guys, hope you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.
Peace.